In this video, we are going to show you how to collapse a chat bubble in Flowith AI. Now, chat bubbles are practically your chats, right? Or in Flowith, it's going to be called the flows, right? So this is one flow or one chat, right? Or chat bubble. So how do we collapse this or minimize this? It's quite simple. Look towards your upper left corner of your screen and click on the Flowith logo like so. This pop-up will appear. To collapse this or just to go back to homepage, just click on back to homepage. It's going to bring you, well, to the homepage, and you're going to see all your flows or your chats here on the left hand side. If you want to click on another one, it's going to bring you here. There you go. If you want to collapse this again, click on this, click on back to homepage again, and there you go. So that is how you collapse a chat bubble or a flow. As you can see, it says there new flow. It's instead of new chat, right? So that is how you collect or collapse a chat bubble or a flow, whatever existing flow you have in Flowith.ai. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.